When you saw eggplant with coconut milk, what Thai recipe that you think you should make? Today I will make green chicken curry สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้โบจะพามาทำแกงเขียวหวานนะคะมะเขือจะใช้มะเขือที่สวนฉะนั้นจะมีทั้งมะเขือยาวแล้วก็มะเขือเปราะนะคะ green chicken curry in Thai is called แกงเขียวหวานแกง is mean curry เขียว is mean green so the ingredient the main will be green curry paste หวาน is mean sweet so this curry will be sweet so let's go it ingredient to make green chicken curry the main is eggplant I have to soak in the salt water so eggplant is not get to be a dark color and chicken thigh I use chicken thigh because they more flavor than chicken breast because they have a fat and they have a bone for this recipe and the main green curry paste this one you can buy in a plastic package or in a jar I recommend you if you are the first beginner how to cook Thai recipe don't waste your time to make this green chili paste because maybe take you one day for making it I'm serious so I bought it I'm not make it and curry leaf and palm sugar and chicken stock fish sauce red chili สวัสดีค่ะsorry the coconut milk I did not make it I bought today สวัสดีค่ะส่วนประกอบที่จะทำแกงเขียวหวานนะคะก็จะมีมะเขือที่สำคัญเลยคือมะเขือแล้วก็ไก่เนี่ยจะเลือกส่วนที่เป็นเขาเรียกว่าสะโพกไก่ใช่ไหมคะสะโพกไก่นะคะมันจะมีรสชาติมากกว่ากันแล้วก็ไอที่ขาดไม่ได้เลยคือพริกแกงเขียวหวานใบมะกรูดน้ำตาลปี๊บแล้วก็คนอร์พริกใหญ่น้ำตาลแล้วก็กะทิวันนี้เผอิญไม่มีเวลาที่จะทำกะทิสดเองนะคะก็เลยซื้อกะทิกล่องค่ะไปรับชมกันเลยค่ะ Use the low heat and add some coconut milk and take green chili paste to cook with the coconut milk. How you know how to cook when it's turned to be the golden color it mean the green chili paste is cooked so then next step you will add the chicken so this will be slow cooking I can smell the ingredient from the green chili paste it have many ingredients it's like they use galanka pepper curry leaf skin of lamb many ingredients that's why I think it take forever to make the green chili paste and when you bought buy a jar and you use a little bit, you should not leave them in the temperature room. You should have to keep them in the fridge. Then I add chicken. We will cook until the oil or the fat from the chicken is come out and mix with coconut cream. The chicken fat is start to come out. You see? Then I will and the chicken they cook almost well already. Then I will add eggplant. I will add sugar palm, but I'm not add all. I add a little bit first to see how it's good. And I add fish sauce, but I don't add too much too. And chicken broth. Oh, I think I cooked too much. My fry pan too small. Add the coconut milk that left all. Now they start to cooking, so we wait about 5 minutes, then taste it. Oh, and I have to add it tastes good. I have to add carrot, lime leaf, when you checking that if the eggplant is cooked, when the eggplant is cooked, you add red chili, and one, I forget to tell you, this sweet basil leaf. Then you turn off the fire. Oh no, sorry. You turn off, so it's done cooking. So take it to serve in a bowl. Take to serve in a bowl. This is very popular dish in Thai restaurant. When you go to the Thai restaurant, you will see this menu. It's not spicy because the coconut milk, right? It make the curry is sweet. And if you know have coconut milk, I recommend you can use the milk. Okay, done. Thank you for keep watching until I'm done cooking green curry chicken with eggplant. I hope you learn a little bit how to cook Thai food recipe. If you like this video, please help me to give a thumb up and feel free to leave comment below. And if you want to make it and you still don't understand, you can ask me the question. And I hope to see you in the next video. God's blessing you. สวัสดีค่ะ